anagram. Given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So this is an anagram of s because it all has the same amount of letters, just rearranged. This is false because there is no c in ret. And it's guaranteed that the length of given s and given t, they're both going to be at least a letter of like one letter and as long as this many letters. And they're all lowercase. So you don't have to perform any lowercase function or operation. And this is if it's Unicode characters. So first instinct is you can sort both strings and see if they are equal, exactly equal. And my other instinct was store all letters seen in each string into their own hashes and compare if both hashes are exactly the same. So I want to first check if s.length is not equal to t.length. If one of the strings are mismatched, then obviously they're not a match, so then return false. And then the first easy way would be sort both strings. So you do s.chars.sort is equal to t.chars.sort. And that should work for the first one. Oh, in Ruby is only... Okay, so that one works for the sorting one. It's really quick. If we weren't doing the sorting one, I would go with a hash, two hashes and checking them. So I'll call one of them is s letters is equal to an empty hash. The other one is t underscore letters is equal to an empty hash. And basically, I'm going to iterate both of them and do like s dot each chars, because you're just checking each character, do, and then c. So s dot each chars do c. So we're grabbing every char. I'm checking s letters. Does the character exist in our s letters hash? And if it does, then we want to increment it. It's a question mark, and then this colon right here. Then we do else. We just set it to 0. Same thing for t dot each underscore chars do. Oops. Do c, and you just want to do instead of s letters, do t letters. Else is equal to 1. Else set it equal to 0, and then at the end we just want to return if s underscore letters is equal to t underscore letters. So we'll test that one. Each char, I think it's each char, not plural. Singular, not plural. So then that one works. Then you submit that. And then, all right, so this also passes. And I think So it'd be big O of n if we do this sorting method, and big O of n space as well, because we're using 2 extra hash maps. We're going one by one at a time, and then we're putting each character of the string into the hashes and incrementing and checking. So that's big O of n time and space. The sorting one, I think it would be, because we have to sort it, it's big O of n. I think so.